All right, we're going to be looking at page 5 of your guided notes. And what I want you to do at the top of this is take all of these different sides, and I want you to draw from the center perpendicular to one of the sides. We call that the apothem. And I want you to go ahead and draw the apothem for each of these shapes. Press pause and then press play when you are finished. All right, so you've got the apothem for each of these shapes. Using this diagram above, as the number of sides of a regular polygon increases, the shape itself starts to look like what? You can see down here especially, it starts to look like a circle. As the number of sides increase, the perimeter, which would be the distance around the polygon, gets closer to the what of a circle. Well, perimeter would be distance around. And what do we call the distance around a circle? Circumference. Draw an apothem for each of the polygons. We did that. As the number of sides increase, the length of the apothem gets closer to the what of the circle. Well, you can see that the apothem length here becomes more and more like what we call the radius of the circle. As the number of sides increases, the area of the polygon, which we know to be 1/2 AP or 1/2 apothem times the perimeter, gets closer to the area of a circle. We know the area of the circle is pi r squared. So let's see what that looks like. Polygon, we'll start with. The area is 1/2 apothem times the perimeter. So we know that the area is 1/2. Now the apothem starts to look more and more like the radius, and the perimeter starts to look more and more like the circumference. So I'm going to replace those. And we know that 1/2, the circumference we know is 2 pi r. So I'm going to replace circumference with 2 pi r. And then I'm going to clean this up. What I know is that r times r is r squared. And I know that 1/2 times 2 is 1. So I end up with pi r squared or r squared pi. And that is the area of a circle. So we can see that the area of a polygon becomes closer to the area of a circle. And that's the movie for page 5.